Hello human. My name is Clanker and today we will cut a cube. Here we have a cube made out of bezier patches. One top face, one bottom face and G0 blend surfaces for the sides. Here is our cutter surface. First we trim side surfaces. Do a linked copy of the top one with Alt-D. This is necessary to avoid dependency issues. Hide the original. Add a trim bezier patch on the first side. And select the cutter as target. Repeat for the two others. The modifiers may need to be reordered. Then we trim the cutter surface. First hide it. Then select the S key tool. And Ctrl-click on one of the intersection segments. Press E to extract the segment. Go to the extracted segment modifier stack. Duplicate the copy modifier twice. Enable keep existing to preserve your brittle human life. Ha. 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 Just joking. It is to preserve geometry from higher in the stack. Enable the merge option. Then select the other two intersection segments with the eyedropper. Here we see that it isn't sufficient. To fix it, just add a weld modifier before the measure modifier. Duplicate link the cutter with Alt-D. Hide the original. Now we have the contour, we want to trim the surface with it. Use a trim bezier surface from projected wire modifier. The solution found is not great. This is because the projection direction of the contour is the z-axis of the contour object. Rotate the object to align it roughly with the face plane. Normals issue here. Enable exact normals from Alt-N with the S key tool selected. Now you can export it to point step with the quick export button. Congratulations, you are the victorious. Some instabilities may occur, but you can still edit everything in real time. Export again, as point step. Oh. Wait, there are some warnings on one object. Here increase the solver iterations until it disappears. Here we go. Though the quality is not perfect at the intersection. This means you need to donate to the project to see further improvement. Thanks for watching. You can get SurfacePsycho from the Blender extension platform.